Sick of surprise baggage fees weighing down your vacation? Let's explore how to maximize your Air India baggage allowance. Start by visiting airindia.com on your computer. Place your cursor over the Manage tab in the website's top navigation. A menu will unfold below. Choose Baggage from the menu. This will direct you to their baggage guidelines. Review Air India's normal baggage rules for your fare class and destination. Also, take a look at the costs of additional baggage. Are you a member of Air India's Flying Returns program? Elite status, like Star Alliance Gold, frequently comes with extra baggage benefits. Check your member details. Several Air India-affiliated credit cards provide baggage perks. Check your cardholder agreement. Prepaying for extra baggage online is almost always cheaper than at the airport. Include any extra bags during your initial ticket purchase or afterwards via Manage Booking. Last, reach out to Air India's customer service department if you're uncertain or in a unique situation. Describe your issue. At times, they can provide help or other choices.